everyone, from our previous videos you should have gained a solid understanding of TikTok's platform rules and algorithm strategies. Today's video is especially aimed at merchants and accounts with commercial promotion needs. Wondering how to make your products popular on TikTok? If you are thinking, oh, we can just make an official account and publish content regularly, well, even an elementary school student could tell you that. So if that's your only strategy, you need to watch this video to the end. I'll be sharing some exclusive secrets with you. Although TikTok may soon be banned in the United States, I believe these strategies will still be effective on other social media platforms or short video platforms. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a quiet like and remember, don't share it with your competitors. Number 1. Challenges. Creating or participating in challenges is an effective way to promote a brand on TikTok. These challenges often go viral quickly because they encourage users to create and share their own content. For example, a brand could launch a fun challenge related to its products and invite users to participate. Example, the In My Denim challenge was initiated by Guess. This campaign encouraged users to wear their Guess jeans and create creative videos. The challenge quickly became popular, effectively boosting the brand's visibility and user engagement. Let's watch some examples. Alright, number 2. Brand partnerships. Collaborating with influential TikTok users can increase brand visibility and credibility. Choose creators whose image aligns with your brand and promote products or services through their follower network. For example, Chipotle collaborated with TikTok influencers to promote their guac dance challenge. These creators' influence helped spread Chipotle's challenge widely in a short amount of time. While big creators were compensated, many smaller creators participated for free simply because they found it fun. Let me show it to you.
I'm feeling holy.
Additionally, if you find it expensive to work with big creators, don't worry, it doesn't always have to be the case. You can effectively boost your brand's visibility by partnering with smaller creators at a more affordable rate. And number 3, educational content. Providing valuable educational content can captivate your audience, especially when it aligns with their interests or needs. For instance, a health food brand might share useful health tips or recipe videos, like this example.
This is what would happen to your body if you eat moringa every day for 2 weeks. After 24 hours, your energy would increase as your body is filled with 92 out of 102 nutrients it needs.
For example, Dove released a series of educational videos on self-acceptance and confidence, teaching users to appreciate their natural beauty. These videos not only enhanced the brand image, but also resonated deeply with a young audience. Check out these videos.
3 game-changing ways to use the TikTok viral Dove Beauty Bar. If you have dry hands, you might want to switch out your ordinary hand soap to something like this that won't strip your skin like normal soaps. I also love using it to shave my legs.
One thing I wish I knew sooner is that the Dove Original Beauty Bar is the only cleanser you need. It's the most simple yet effective cleanser, plus it's super easy to use.
This is a beauty mistake you're making right now. I started off using all these products, got lazy, spent a lot of money, and then my mom came to the rescue and shared with me this go-to classic. I use the Dove Beauty Bar along with what my dermatologist recommended to me, and shabam, it removes makeup.
Number 4. User-generated content or UGC. Encourage users to create content related to your brand and share it. This not only enhances the authenticity of the content, but also expands your brand's reach. For instance, you can encourage satisfied customers to share their experiences with your product, like this video.
Our family just got back from the water park and I found this on my front porch. Let's check out what I got at TU. This is my first order and this is how they got me. I've been really looking at those bog bags, and they have a lot of good dupes on Temu, and as I'm scrolling, I found a deal where I could get one for free. Of course, I had to add other things to my cart, yada, yada, yada. I wound up getting several things and paid $19. Now,
the best approach is to send influencers your product for free and ask for a video review. A personal tip: don't give them detailed briefs. They like creative freedom. Just send the product and let them review it honestly. A great example is Calvin Klein's #MyCalvins campaign, which invited users to share personal stories while wearing the brand's underwear. This campaign sparked significant user participation and content creation, greatly increasing the brand's social media exposure. Now, let me show you how you can quickly create your own videos using Filmora's templates. You can make videos yourself and post them, or other creators can use these templates for user-generated content. The choice is yours. First, I open Filmora and select templates. Then I choose vlog category. As you can see, there are a bunch of templates ready to use. But since we need vertical videos for TikTok, let's click on aspect ratio and then select portrait. For instance, if you're a clothing brand, you might use this template, or if you're a travel agency, you could choose this one. Let's pick the travel video template, and now it is time to personalize it. Suppose we are arranging travels to Dubai. I drag and drop the template, click to replace the material, and then hit expand template. Now I can see everything. For example, I can change the text to travel to Dubai and continue making changes as I like. Visit filmora.wondershare.com. Download it, pick your template, and create your TikTok in seconds. And number 5, live streaming. TikTok's live streaming feature is a fantastic tool for real-time interaction with your audience. Use it to showcase products, answer questions, or host exclusive sale events. Live streams are also excellent for charity events or special occasions, helping to increase audience engagement and loyalty. All you need to do is step in front of the camera. Don't be shy, whether you're making the product, serving it, showing it off, or answering viewer questions. Live streaming is an effective way to engage your audience directly. Number 6, skits and mini-dramas. Create skits or mini-dramas, as these formats are extremely popular on TikTok for their entertainment value and viral potential. People love fun content and it is enjoyable. They will watch it. This gives you a clever opportunity to integrate brand messages seamlessly. For example, check out this video from Ryanair. They make a joke about something and cleverly tie it to their service. Amazing, right? Or take a look at this one from Infinite Flight, where they humorously make fun of themselves, and it works.
Ryanair landing test.
Thank you for flying Ryanair. Last year, over 90% of our flights arrived on time. We hope you enjoyed yours, and we look forward to welcoming you on board again.
Number 7, sponsored hashtags. Creating sponsored hashtags is a powerful way to extend brand influence on TikTok. By sponsoring a hashtag, brands can guide the direction of content creation while leveraging TikTok's algorithms to promote these topics for increased exposure. But what's the difference between sponsored hashtags and normal hashtags? Let me explain. Regular hashtags. Those are the tags used by users to categorize content or identify it with a theme. Their purpose is to increase post visibility and facilitate user engagement with content, and it is available for anyone to use. Hashtag takeovers. It is done by brands to dominate a hashtag for a short duration. The purpose is to focus exposure to boost content related to brand events or launches. Now, it is time for a successful example. Walmart promoted Black Friday sales through the sponsored hashtag Deal Drop Dance. This campaign invited users to share the joy of their shopping experiences while showcasing Walmart's promotional products. Let's see. Number 8. Contests and giveaways. Hosting contests or giveaways is an excellent strategy to boost user engagement and encourage content sharing on TikTok. Make sure the activities are simple, fun, and offer attractive prices to ignite participants' enthusiasm. For example, Elf Cosmetics hosted a makeup skills challenge where participants were required to use its products to create a specific makeup look. The ultimate winners received a makeup package from the brand, leading to widespread participation and high engagement.
Doing a full face using only my Elf products. This is gonna be challenging because I don't have that much Elf products. I want to get more, but I'm going to use this toner first.
Full face of only Elf products. I would be absolutely honored to do so. I love Elf. Fun fact, I'm like 90% sure they took me off their PR list. I thought we were cool. I've never said anything bad about Elf. Would see all my friends get the new releases in their PR boxes and I was like, can't wait to get mine. And mine was just like,
face of Elf products. That better not have broken because I spent my life savings for this video. But it's been a minute since I've done a little makeup challenge. So let's do a full face of Elf products. The Elf Power Grip Primer is the only product I've ever used from Elf.
In feed ads, you can run ads directly on TikTok to expand your reach. These ads appear in the TikTok feed and include call to action button. Let's see what Hyundai did. My humble suggestion is to give it a try. You can start with just $10 test whether these in-feed ads work for you. Now let me show you how to instantly create video scripts using Filmora's AI copywriter. I first open Filmora and navigate to AI copywriting. I select video oral script. Let's imagine we are an ice cream brand. We are an ice cream brand called Ice Ice. I want you to write me a video script that will be shown on TikTok. Make it creative, fun, and engaging. And there you go, our ad video script is ready. And number 10, branded effects. Let's dive right into it. You will understand better when I show it to you. Maybelline created custom AR filters that allowed users to try on different lipstick colors in their videos. These effects became very popular as users enjoyed testing various shades while promoting Maybelline's lipstick products. The fun and interactive nature of these filters encouraged users to create and share content more frequently.
My perfect fit me shade with this filter.
Pepsi launched a special AR filter on TikTok that challenges users to hit the ball. The person who hits the ball the most times wins. The interactive feature not only entertains but also encourages spirited competition among users, further boosting engagement with the brand.
Hey, did you guys see the new Pepsi AR filter? No. Let me show you.
Thank you for watching. Today we explored key strategies to help your businesses go viral on TikTok in 2024. Remember, success on TikTok comes from creativity and consistency. Utilize challenges, influencer partnerships, educational content, and user-generated content to boost your visibility. Also consider live streaming and engaging formats like skits to connect directly with your audience. Leverage tools like Filmora for high-quality videos and explore TikTok features like sponsored hashtags and AR filters for broader reach. Stay updated with platform trends to keep your strategies effective. Keep innovating and see you next time.